So check out this large list of targeted email addresses I was able to generate for free, and it was just with a few clicks of the mouse. I work for a small business, and we often are tasked with creating a mass email campaign. So I'll try to find email addresses through a Google search, but this is extremely time consuming. The other option is paid software, but I hate shelling out such a tremendous amount of money. But I found a free way with just a few clicks of the mouse. So let's get into it. We're going to use two different applications. First is Let's Extract Email Studio, which is going to give us our email address list. But this being the free version, we can't copy the addresses to the clipboard. But that's where ShareX comes in, an OCR, optical character recognition software, that's going to allow us to copy to the clipboard and then paste into an email application. So let's start here with Let's Extract Email Studio. I have it on my taskbar already open. We click on the magnifying glass, and these are different categories for finding great lists of email addresses. I like this one the best. Extract emails from Google Maps. I'm going to click on that. And let's say we're looking for car dealerships. So I'm going to type car dealerships. Then I'm also going to include auto dealerships. And then locations, I'm just going to put my tri-state area. Hit Start Search. Click on Results, and this is going to populate with a large list of targeted email addresses. But for the sake of time, I'm going to stop the search. I have the finished results open in a different window, and I'm going to pull that up now, which is here. So we have email addresses. We also have location of each business as well as phone numbers. But focusing on the email addresses, we have a tremendous list. But the problem is we are not able to export to the clipboard, as I mentioned earlier. So if we go to export and copy to clipboard, it's asking for registration key, which obviously we don't have. But that's fine because I figured out a way around this. Next, we want to minimize this screen such that only the email addresses appear, because this is going to help with our OCR process. We're then going to open ShareX. We're going to change a couple settings. We're going to click on After Capture Task. We want to make sure Recognize Text OCR is highlighted or bold. And then click on Task Settings. Click on Image and change the default image format from PNG to TIFF, because this seems to optimize the OCR process. We then close this window, go to Capture, and choose Scrolling Capture. Then put this outline over the email addresses, which is going to open this new window in ShareX, and we simply hit Start Scrolling Capture. It's going to run through the addresses and import the results into ShareX. We're then simply going to press Upload Save, and now we have a list of targeted email addresses that we're able to copy to the clipboard. So some of these addresses might be invalid, maybe just a handful, but we can simply highlight them and delete the mistakes. Then we simply press Copy All, go to your email application. I'm going to open my Gmail account. So I put a catchy subject line. I have a detailed message to try to attract customers and clients, and I'm simply going to paste in all those addresses. So as you can see, we've put in over 178 email addresses, and we're all set to send off our email campaign. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please like and subscribe.